Well, hello there and welcome back to my channel. It's so very nice to see you again. I'm gonna start the video from inside my car because outside there's like a blizzard. Lots of snow in the air and strong wind, so once I go outside the car it's gonna be really tricky to record video and take pictures. So let's start from here. And just a few days ago, actually maybe more like a week, I hit 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and that is so great. It makes me so happy, and I'm so thankful for all of your support. I really didn't think I would hit 1,000 subscribers anytime soon, so it was a really nice surprise. So thank you all. And another thing that's new with my channel, I purchased a new video equipment, and well, I had two F-mount lenses just sitting on the shelf at home doing nothing, and there was 15 millimeters and 135 millimeters from size. And well, I don't like having equipment just sitting at home doing nothing, so I decided to sell them, and I did. And instead I got a GoPro 11, and this is my first action camera ever. So I have only been out once and tried this. I was out yesterday and tried it out, and I tried to record a video, but I was so distracted with this new piece of equipment with all the handling and stuff. So I had to scrap all that video. So I'm out again. I don't know how much of this video I will include in this video, but I think it could be cool to have a thing like this. Can get some new perspectives in my video. Yes, and what's going to happen in this video? Well, I'm gonna go out there into the blizzard and see if I can find some nice images. So yeah, let's get going. It was way too intense in the wind there at the sea. It's so open and the snow was hitting my eyeballs like tiny needles. It was way too intense there, so I moved a couple of 100 meters into the woodland and it's so beautiful here, and I really love how the trees, just one side of the trees are covered in snow. So I'm definitely gonna get my Nikon Z7 out of the bag and try to capture some images here. So let's go and see what we can find. Okay, so I think I found something interesting. These pines covered in snow, and I really like how the texture looks with the snow on the branches and the trunks below. I can maybe create some really nice moody atmospheric image with this heavy snowfall. Maybe use a 1 second exposure and create some fog, artificial fog. So this is going to be really interesting. So let's get the camera out of the bag. Okay, so I got my Nikon Z7 and a 70-200 zoom lens, and I'm gonna take this shot at 70 millimeters. So yeah, let's have a closer look on the screen. Okay, so this is the composition that I have. And I'm quite happy with this actually. I really like the textures in the trees. And the snowfall has picked up quite a lot, so that will help with this moody, foggy look that I'm after. And that fog will be artificial created with 1 second exposure, so the snowfall will create that moody look. And I haven't included much of the foreground because there isn't much of interest there. And I'm not really sure how I will crop this in post-processing. Maybe I will keep the frame as it is. We will see. So yeah, let's get this shot. I'm at 1 second exposure, f16. F16 will help with getting the 1 second exposure and will make the shot sharp all the way to the background. And I'm a few steps below native ISO. That will also help to get the 1 second exposure. So yeah, let's get this shot. Focus and 2 second self timer to reduce all the vibrations. There we go. Let's have a look. Yeah, let's zoom in, see if it's sharp. Yeah, it looks really nice. So yeah, I will put up the image on screen for you. It's no picnic to be out in this weather and record video. I found some shelter in this watchtower. Behind this wall there's really strong wind. So I'm gonna sit here for a while and just gather my strength, have a snack. And I think I'm gonna go out to a small cape. And actually there's no ice on the sea there, so maybe there are some birds. It's absolutely brutal out here in the wind, but I found some shelter behind this bush, so maybe the microphone is working. And there aren't that many birds here, but there are actually some swans, so I'm gonna get my telelens out of the bag and see if I can sneak up on them and get some footage of them. Oh, it's been a really exciting day to be out in this blizzard and taking pictures. And I have to get rid of all the snow on my car before I go back home. Oh, really exciting day. And I really hoped you enjoyed all the footage and images. And if you did, I'm really happy if you give the video a thumbs up. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye for now.